This is an easy quiche recipe. What you're gonna need is 8 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. Then you're gonna whisk this together. Whisk it very well, make sure it's well mixed. Then I spray my pan with canola oil or whatever oil you have. And I bought a pre-made pie crust. For some reason mine came ripped, I don't know why, but we're gonna work with this. And you're just gonna wanna make sure you put it in your pan. Then once that's ready, you add any protein you want. I'm doing ham today, bell peppers, spinach. Then you're gonna add your egg mixture and it's ready for the oven. I forgot to show you guys, but I did add sprinkly cheese. And I put in the oven for 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And it was the easiest recipe. Literally throw everything in the pan and bake it. This is a perfect, easy breakfast for any weekend or brunch. Definitely one of my favorites. I will be making this again. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you guys try it out.